All right, everybody, this is for my pal jchic87. Come on. He's got 2 boxes from a fresh case. Here's the other 10 right there. So we're going to go ahead and open these up for him. Let me get another light on. I was wondering why it was so dark in here. That's why. All right, bud, good luck. Let me tell you guys a secret about Elite Extra Edition. All right, check me out. First, you can't look at it as having 6 autos. Look at it as being like draft with just 1 auto. All right? Not that the other 5, 6, 7 autos are garbage per se, but just think of it as having 1 auto. All right? So that way when you open the product up, you're really only looking for 1 good hit. If you notice, we usually get 1, sometimes 2 good autos per box, right? Sometimes we get a really, really, really nice card, but, you know, hey, look at it that way. Then what you do is realize that your ROI on draft is great, right? If you're smart, you hold the right guy, your return on investment is going to be good. And we all know that. We're all happy with it, blah, 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 blah. But your ROI percentage on Elite Extra Edition is usually on par with draft. The cards aren't worth as much. All right? But your ROI percentage is usually about the same. And what I mean is, say you spend $10 on player X, okay? You spend $10 on his draft chrome whatever auto, his first Bowman chrome auto, $10, and then 18 months later he makes the show, and let's just say he's just a regular old player, but on his call up, his cards go up, you know, probably 100% on call up, or we'll say 50. All right, they go up to 15, 20 bucks. You spend 10, right? So you double your money. You make 5, 10 bucks per card. His draft cards go up that much, but his Elite Extra Edition cards, they might only go up $1, right? Maybe $2, but they only cost you $1 or $2. So your ROI percentage is actually going to be basically the same, whether it be Bowman or Elite Extra Edition. So it's just a cheaper alternative, especially if you're if you're thinking about spending a year trying to learn prospecting. Learn with the Elite before you get into Bowman. You see what I mean? So anyway, that's just my take on it all. Rudy Tooty, refractor. Uh-oh, we got a redemption. This is a good product to hit a redemption in. Let's see what you got. Jonathan Gray. Not bad. Not bad. Jonathan Gray. Number 3, right? He was the 3rd draft pick. No, it doesn't have the appeal. You're right. It doesn't have the appeal. But it does have the same, pretty much, ROI. Hey, check you out. Sean Nolan, Purple Ice rookie. Sean Nolan, 2 of 10. He had a really good year last year too. So, Sean Nolan, nice card, nice little hit. Billy McKinney. The same thing's true for products like Sterling, Inception. You know, cards that have pretty much the same players as draft, but their autos don't go for as much. They might not go for as much, but they still rise and fall like a you know, any prospect card would. So it's a cheaper alternative for prospecting. You know, you can get Sterling and Inception autos. Wow, you did really good on your autos. Dominic Smith. You also have I believe a wave pack right here. Caleb Kellogg. Another thing to remember, and this isn't for every player, but anytime a player is about to hit big, you actually get more money from products like Inception and Sterling and stuff like that, because those aren't going to baseball card collectors per se, or baseball card fans. They're going to just regular baseball fans, and they don't give a rat's rear end whether it's Bowman or Draft or Elite or anything. As long as it's, you know, the player they're looking for that's hitting home runs all of a sudden for their team, striking out everybody. Evan Gattis, blue paper. Xander Bogaerts, blue paper. Denton Keys. Trey Williams. I don't think he's going to get a bonus auto unless it's, you know, unless it's stuck in here somewhere. Well, I mean, what I mean is like the refractor hidden behind the redemption hidden behind the refractor. He could still have an Under Armour auto. This could have a wave auto, you know. There could be an ice auto still in here. The ice autos are really nice. Crazy rare, but really nice. Aaron Judge, blue paper. Jason Kanzler. You got Gary Sanchez to 250 for the Yankees. Matt Barnes, blue paper. Tyler Vale. You got Reed Harper for the Braves, black refractor, 8/35. Reed Harper for the Braves. Brandon Easton. Who was it who hit his superfractor today? Somebody in chat was talking about hitting his superfractor. Ryan McMahon. Steven Negrin. Keon Wong. Alex Wood, ice. Ah, that's right, Enron. Nice card, pal. Any superfractor's cool. Michael Waka refractor. Waka. Carlos Correa chrome. Without a color auto, you've done really, really well with this break, this 2-box break. I think both of your autos are top 5 picks. So you've done really well, but let's see if we can hit you another auto. Julio Teheran. Addison Russell. Derek Panilla. And last pack, Chris Bostic. All right, so this last pack could fool me, all right, but I'm pretty sure I'm right. Pretty sure this is a wave pack. So the whole last case didn't have one, which was crazy. So let's see what you got. It is a wave pack. Now you want, it's blue, all right, I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it is blue. You want to avoid a red border. There's just no. So no auto. All right, let's see what you got here. You got Matt McGill, Kevin Franklin, Hernandez, and Patrick Murphy. Now, the red, all right, it's not an auto, but it is numbered to 25. So the right name could be better than an auto. All right, let's see who you got. We're looking for Austin Meadows, Jonathan Gray, Clint Frazier, some of the big rookies. Let's see who it is. Never mind. Never mind. You don't want these, right? You're not interested. Let's just put this card away. Bam. All right, that's better than some of the autos. I'll just put that out there. That's better than some of the autos. Austin Meadows, red wave refractor. Nice card. 21 of 25 on the Austin Meadows. So congratulations, bud. That was a very good break. Go ahead and tweet out your Austin Meadows. Nice hit. We'll add your Jonathan Gray to it. Dominic Smith was 11th overall pick, so you didn't have 2 top 5s. And then Sean Nolan, just that was a great break. Great break. All right, pal. Let me tweet out these 3 for you. All right, bud. Tweeted out those 3. That's crazy. But let me save your video for you, and I'll post that up to YouTube.